my name is Sara Sofia Cuellar Castillo from course 503 and I chose gardening. We're going to compost.
What is composting, Saris?
Composting is organic matter from agricultural and garden waste that is treated to accelerate its decomposition and be used as fertilizer. Here we call it organic waste of the fruits, vegetables, the eggs, shell, and it contains a lot of calcium. Cucumber, the carrot, melon, and the orange peels. We're shoved at this and we are going to mix it with the air. A natural result will give it the water and next will perform its photosynthesis and the air will absorb the necessary nutrients. Bye, thank you.